welcome back. So we've had a bit of a problem as we were going to take this closet flange off. It's broken, see, yeah. A little problem happened. The screwdriver fell down the hole. So we've rigged together a little bit of a glue stick here. We're going to see if we can't fish that bad boy out of there. Or there's also the possibility that we push it further down the hole, which we don't want. Hey, so far so good. I had it, and then it dropped further. It's coming. It just doesn't seem to want to make it around that curve. Well, there's a screwdriver down there. Oh, you would not believe how close I am to getting this out. Nope. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to take a break for a commercial and come on back and we'll see. Did you already stop it? Oh, we're going to take a break for a commercial and come on back and see if we haven't retrieved this screwdriver from the toilet. Well, it didn't work to fish the screwdriver out of the toilet drain, so had to come down in the basement. There are a few cobwebs down here, and see that my screwdriver is actually probably about right in there. So this is beyond the scope of my expertise. I'm going to have to call in Eric and Dwayne. They're experts when it comes to getting screwdrivers out of the toilet drain.
So I thought we'd cut this, take the strap out, pull this over, get the screwdriver out, and put a connector in there and glue it back together.
Yep.
You good with that?
Yep.
All right.
Hey Eric, Dwayne said that everything that you need is in this bag.
Perfect. We're gonna see. Oh, you got your tape measure, right?
Yep. While those guys are working hard on that, I'm going to have my lunch.
There it is.
Like I'm disgusted by it. Chad.
My screwdriver!